Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You'll start by confirming the basics: iOS updated, credentials in hand, and any two-step verification method available. Tap the Gmail app if installed. Otherwise, open Settings, then Mail, Accounts. Once done, choose Add Account and select Google. You're prompted to sign in. Make sure to read permission requests so the app can sync mail and contacts. This immediate step connects the iPhone to Google services, so proceed now to enter your Gmail address and tap Next. You'll now enter your password and complete authentication. This is where accuracy matters. Once you submit credentials, Google presents permissions, allow mail, contacts, and calendars to sync so your account behaves like native mail. If you use two-step verification, follow the prompt. Approve on your device, enter SMS code, or use an authenticator app. Make sure to select the sync items you want, then tap Save. After saving, the phone negotiates sync intervals, so your inbox updates automatically. Finish by opening your Mail or Gmail app to confirm messages and folders appear. Once visible, tweak Fetch or push in settings so mail arrives how you prefer. If messages don't show, make sure Wi-Fi or cellular data is active and recheck your password. For stuck syncs, remove the account and add it again, or reboot the phone. These steps often clear token errors. Remember, reauthorization and network checks solve most issues. If needed, enable less secure app access only as a last resort.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.